It's Shamrock, and I'm, retired. That's why I sleep so much. Are you retired? Here's good wagging advice. Stop sleeping. Wake up, bark, and write. I dream about the good old days, chasing squirrels up a tree, doing my job, guarding the house, and I did a great job. Well, you don't see any burglars, do you? But I know I should do more with my, excuse the expression, older years, not just lie around. I finally have the time to write my doggy book, but I always have an excuse. Did you know that most dogs say they will someday write a book, and most dogs never do? Well, now I am dreaming of finally sitting up and writing that book. What about you? Did you ever say someday I'll write a book? Come on, I know you did. So do it now. Sit up, shake your head, lift your paw, and let's bark and go to www.goldenquillpress.com and check out how to write your book from an idea to your published story. It can help us get started, get through those dog days, and keep us writing until it is done. I even have my title. It's a dog's life after all. Well, you know, like It's a Small World After All. No, it's not plagiarism, just borrowing a great idea. So I'm heading to www.goldenquillpress.com. Join me there and get how to write your book from an idea to your published story. And sign up for the mailing list and free writing tools and bonuses. Now, I want to be called a writer, not a dog. So sign up to see more of my YouTube videos on my channel or follow us on social media. You can see the sites in the description. Please comment, please share, please post, and write. Woof!